Hi there, it's Jen here again. Today, I'm going to show you how to replace a damaged plank of Metroflor DropLock 100 flooring. If you're ready, let's get into it. Step 1. Let's remove the damaged plank first. Use a straight edge to draw a line down the center of the plank. Next, draw 45-degree angles from the corners to the center line to form a triangle at each end of the plank. Grab your saw and set your saw blade to the proper depth using an extra plank as a gauge. This will help you avoid cutting through the subfloor. Carefully cut along the center line of the plank we marked. Sweep or vacuum up debris. Next, cut the diagonals, taking care not to cut into or damage the adjacent planks, and clean up any debris. Now, remove the two center sections using a small chisel to lift the first edge and carefully remove the triangles from each end. Step 2. Let's prepare the replacement plank. Before replacing, remove the tongue on the long side of the plank using a sharp utility knife. Please make sure that the tongue is completely removed. Next, remove the lock on the long and short sides. Using a sharp chisel, cut off the corner where the two groove edges meet. Step 3. Before applying the bead of glue, it's a good idea to practice inserting the replacement plank. When you're ready, let's apply a scant bead of Prevail 30 GS adhesive to the exposed groove sides of all the flooring surrounding. Then apply the same adhesive to the groove sides of the replacement plank. Now, let's insert the plank. Align the cut corner first, and then drop the replacement plank into position. Slide your small chisel underneath the plank so that the plank is lifted up a bit. Then, use your Prevail tapping block on the long and short sides to ease the replacement plank into place. After removing the chisel, apply pressure to ensure a good adhesion. Finally, remove any excess adhesive immediately using a small amount of acetone applied with a clean, white, lint-free cloth. Do not pour the acetone directly onto the floor. You can walk on the floor right after replacement. Now the replacement is done. Great job, everyone! For more detailed information and detailed replacement guidelines for Metroflor flooring with DropLock 100, visit metroflor.com.